Panama is expanding its legendary canal to welcome bigger ships from around the world. Xylem was tasked with pumping water from Lake Miraflores to the immense new locks of the Panama Canal to test their functionality, uphill, in large volumes, in record time.
This project's really important to us. It really demonstrates how capable we are at mobilizing incredible assets to a location that's hard to reach in a very short period of time and solving a customer's problem.
We played a crucial part of getting water into the new canal so that they can test the gates and make sure everything works properly before they introduce the Pacific Ocean and Gatun Lake to the new shipping lane.
The scope of the project was extraordinary, so Xylem assembled an all-star team to tackle it. We custom-tailored a turnkey operation that handled every aspect for the Panama Canal Authority, from transport, design, setup, fusing miles of pipe, to pumping and monitoring. We provided a total rental solution.
Pump rental was exactly the right solution for this project. We have the biggest fleet in the pump rental industry, so we have all the assets that any customer could ever need, and the ability to mobilize assets, logistically get them to where they're needed, and to make them work when they get there.
Surprisingly, it will seem like the engineering part or the technical part will be the hardest. More for us, for me at least as a manager of this project, was the timing. To have it ready in time in such a short time.
To meet the time challenge, Xylem chartered 5 747 cargo planes to transport the rental pumps and equipment from the United States to Panama. Xylem delivered 15 Godwin CD400M Dri-Prime pumps and 2.5 miles of HDPE pipe to move 1.7 billion gallons of water in just 22 days. Xylem's highly skilled engineers designed and installed the system, which also included its Godwin FieldSmart technology for real-time remote pump monitoring to ensure water was flowing during critical pumping periods.
Well, another thing that makes Xylem different than the competitors is our application expertise. Most other rental companies buy someone else's pumps, many times different pumps from different suppliers, and then try to make them work. We know these pumps incredibly well because we manufacture and service them, as well as rent them in the biggest fleet in the world.
So right there, we are talking about reliability, we're talking about responsiveness, and I think that at the end of the day, that is also helping to build the reputation that we have as a key global rental player when it comes to dewatering solutions.
To me, it's just about helping clients and customers get their needs solved. It's about showing our capability worldwide. We have 150 sales offices around the world.
What's really important about this business and the way we serve this project, as well as every project, big or small, is the quality of the people that we have. The passion they have, the dedication they have, the 24/7 mentality that they have. There's no problem too small and certainly no problem too big for this team to handle. We've got great pumps, we have great assets, we have great logistics teams, but at the end of the day, the people are what make this business special, and it's what keeps our customers coming back.
Everything that we do is with passion. I think that is the answer why we can get this done.
The Panama Canal is not only for Panama, it's for all of us. All the major goods and shipping goes through this canal. And that shows the world that Xylem can do the job and do it right.
You realize when you talk people on the street, they would be like, oh, that's awesome. You're working on the Panama Canal. You're about to pump water into the canal. That's crazy. That's historic. That's when you realize that how big this is.
5 747s, 15 Godwin pumps, 2.5 miles of pipe, 1.7 billion gallons of water, 22 days. Whatever the challenge, Xylem has the rental solution.